So today we're going to try to install a GSI on the Galaxy A31. Oh, le mignon. But we're not going to try to install it the conventional way. We are going to install it through a MacBook running a Windows 11 on ARM virtual machine, which means that it's going through a lot of conversion layers, which means there's more chance of something going wrong. The first thing we've got to do is unlock the bootloader on the A31. So we go in settings, if it wants to load, developer options we go. My god, it's so laggy. OEM unlocking, yeah. Enter your current pin. Oops. Okay, now you can look if it wants to load. Okay, it lags a bit, which is why we actually want to install the GSI here on this A31. Okay, now we turn it off. Wait, it's charging the MacBook. Connect to Windows. Now we restart. Oh wait, no, power off. Let's wait till it powers off, and then we're going to connect. Now we're going to press down the volume buttons. My god. How do we enter? How to enter download mode Samsung. Yeah, shut up now. I don't want to get a Copilot PC. Okay. Let's please. Yes. Okay, volume up, long press. What is it doing? Yeah, do it. If it wants to do it. Oh, come on. Yes, here. Volume up, long press. Okay, I was pressing the wrong button. Yeah. Volume up, yeah. To do it. Okay. I guess now it will wipe the system. Yeah. It will wipe the system, which I don't really care. I don't have any. Yep, erasing. Just as I said. I'm curious who will. I have already put the files here on this Samsung. I have put the files of the GSIs on an SD card, which means that you're saving one step. Yeah, don't say I'm cheating. Volume up. Allow. I want it to not to the Mac. Connect Samsung USB. Okay. Now let's launch Odin. I have installed the drivers beforehand. Okay, nice. AP is the only thing we touch right now, and that's going to be on downloads and this. No, we also need to touch user data. Disable VB meta. Options. Don't auto reboot. And oh, it's recognizing it. Start. Yes. Recovery. Oh my god. It flashed. It flashed. Now how do I enter? Recover. Wait a minute before. Enter recovery mode. Samsung Galaxy A31. Power key and volume up, okay? So basically, when it shuts off, we go to the volume up key. Okay, now volume up. I heard that sometimes you need to hold it until TWRP appears, otherwise it won't work. So let's continue holding, and whatever happens, happens. Let's check, please. Come on. Oh, yes. We successfully flashed Team Win through TWRP, which is actually an achievement. Allow connect to Windows. Yes, Google Samsung Galaxy. What? Okay, whatever. Let's wipe format data. Yes. Wait, yes. Okay, let's format the data. Let's go back, install install image. Wait a minute, select storage, micro SD card. Yep, Pixel Experience. Let's start with Pixel Experience 13. Oh wait, yes, 13, I think it's a pretty good one. Product image, oh no, what? System image. Okay, swipe to confirm flash. Let's hope everything goes well. Come on. Work. I've just realized that we have installed, that we are nearing to install, fuck my English, we have almost installed a GSI on a Samsung Galaxy A31 from a MacBook running a virtual machine. I'm stunned. I don't know how this worked. I don't know how this is even working. It's the jankiest setup. Reboot system. Let's see. Come on. Boot. Press power key. Yes. Yes. Boot. Yes. Let's see that Google logo. Please. See that Google logo. The drum. You know that sound of the drums? That's what I'm doing right now. Yes. That's a good thing. Come on. I did not expect this to work. Before I was trying to downgrade the iPad 3 to iOS 5 and I was having problems with that. Yeah, here's the iPad that doesn't want to work. It doesn't want to activate on iOS 9, not iOS 5 even. So this being a success is actually making me really happy. My God, I don't believe that it has worked the first step. Like, nothing has failed so far. This is literally the smoothest experience. And I'm doing this after jumping every hoop I can possibly have. We are using a virtual machine on a MacBook that's using ARM64 Windows, which is translating the x86 version of Odin. Come on, come on, come on. Welcome to Pixel. I don't have a SIM card. Yes. Connect to Wi-Fi network. It recognizes the Wi-Fi, but I'm not going to connect it on camera. Let's see. Updating. Yes, it's doing something. Oh my god, I'm so happy it's worked. Oh my god, I did not expect this to work. I was thinking that it would not work. I was going with that mindset. But it working just blew off my mind. Let's set up now. Oh my god, that made me so happy. It's now connected. It's working. It's working. And we haven't even jumped through many hoops. Cannot believe that. If this works, do you think we can install Ubuntu Touch on another video? Comment down in the comments if you want Ubuntu Touch on another video. Getting a device. Yeah, do it. Go, 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 do it. Oh yeah. Couldn't connect. Oh my god. Skip. No. More. No. No. Select pin. Don't look at my password. It's very secret. I major in cybersecurity, by the way. Wait, is the under the display fingerprint scanner working? I am actually curious if they managed to work it on a GSI. It's the time of truth. What? Did it crash? What? Wait a minute. It crashed. So I guess we don't set up a fingerprint, I guess. Do it later. Yeah, I guess we can't set up a fingerprint. But if that's the problem, I don't care. Skip. Oh my god, it's actually working. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Settings. This has PHH treble settings. Where are they? I'm confused. All right. But here, I think here they are. Samsung features. Enable extra sensors and enable workaround, I guess. Let's try those features. Wait, miscellaneous. Force always on display. Yeah. Expose auxiliary cameras. Under display color, it was green on the other phone, so on the other OS, not phone. Force the presence. Yeah. What? No. Customization features. Oh my god, it's actually working. I can't believe it. How do I... Bluetooth IMS customization. Well, let's try again after putting the patch for the fingerprint. Tap to set up. For my super safe passcode. Let's try again. Yeah, I guess that we can't get it to work. I mean, if that's the only downside, I can live with it. Oh my god, we've got that Material U. Even though I'm an iPhone fan, I really like Material too. Let's customize it a bit. Wallpaper. I don't like this wallpaper, so... Ooh, what is this? Come alive. Download it. Can't download. Do we have Wi-Fi? Oh wait, no we don't. Wait a minute. Let's try. Okay, it says now connected. Not sure I trust it, but anyway. Wallpaper unavailable. Well, I guess then we don't put on this wallpaper. Let's put something bright. I want something bright. For fun. Yeah, put this one. Why is it blurred? Oh, no, it's fine. What happened? Yeah, I guess it did not fix the performance issue. Set as wallpaper. Home and lock screens. Well, I guess we don't need the laptop anymore. So turn off the virtual machine. Shut down. Now we can see better. No thanks. It's working fine. Oh, it's not very smooth, but it's better than One UI. Oh, does the camera work? Let's check. Don't allow. Severe thermal throttling. Oh, okay. The other cameras don't work, which I guess I don't really care. But how does photo looks like? It can take photos. It's fine. What is the virtual machine doing? I just want to. Okay, it shut off. Quit VMware Fusion. What is this? In the trash. Close this and now let this aside and let's play with it. What? Okay, let's install settings. No, not install. Display. Let's put light mode for difference. It worked fine enough. Alright. Oh, it's look, that's like 60 FPS, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Good. Okay. Does always on display work? Guess not, but I mean it's alright. Unlock it with my super safe pin. Smooth. Oh, clock. Nice. Let's search something productive. No thanks. What is it doing? Alright. How to make a... Oh, wait. Wrong. No, leave. No. We're wearing long. Galaxy A31 review. It says it's a good phone. GSI Arena. I don't see them mentioning stock Android 13. I have the only Galaxy A31 that has Android 13. Probably not. Someone else has tried this. I'm not the only crazy one in this world. This is it. Oh yeah, this is it. Good luck to you all. We installed it successfully in the first try, and if you want more of these, comment, put them down in the comments below. This is my first video, so I like some feedback. Goodbye.